Hey guys, so I'm first going to start off by priming my face, and I'm going in with two different primers today. The first one I'm using is the POREfessional by Benefit, and I'm focusing this in my T-zone area, right where my pores are the largest. And then I'm going in with my Mercier Radiance primer, and I'm applying this all over to give my skin that really nice, healthy looking glow. Then I'm going to go in with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm going to conceal like any blemishes I have, as well as like my dark circles under my eyes and the redness around my nose. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender. You want to make sure that it's all blended out, especially the edges, so that it really looks seamless with the rest of your skin and doesn't look like you have a ton of makeup on. I'm also going to make sure that I blend out the under eye area very well so that it doesn't look like there's a ton of makeup down there. But I do want to conceal the dark circles as well as highlight the area a little bit. And then just with what's left over on my beauty sponge, I'm just going to kind of run that over my eyelids. You still want to be able to see like the veins and stuff so that it doesn't look unnatural. But I just want to kind of tone it down a little bit. So I just kind of swept over that. And then I'm taking my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm setting everywhere that I put the concealer. I'm not setting the whole face because I don't really need to, and I don't want to take away from that like luminous glow from the primer. So I'm just setting where I put the concealer. Then for bronzer, I'm going in with my Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just using it on an angled blush brush from Sephora. And I'm just adding some color to my face, in the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, chin, all of that good stuff, just to give my face some more color. And then I'm going to just blend it out with my Duo Fiber brush to make sure that it's really blended nice and looks very natural. Then for blush, I'm going in with this one by Sigma in the color Nymphaea, as well as a little bit of Luminoso by Milani. And I'm applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending it backwards, as well as just a little bit on my nose, just to give that really youthful look and some color to my face. And then I'm going to go in and highlight with this CoverFX Enhancer Drop in the color Celestial. And I'm applying it to the cheekbones and then blending it in with my fingers. These have a really great glow, and this is the first time that I've actually used it without foundation, and I was kind of living for it. So I'm applying this all over where I normally would, as well as my cupid's bow and my nose. And then after I have all of that blended in, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and I'm using the Gimme Brow by Benefit. And I'm just combing this through. I actually got obsessed with this when I went to New Zealand. It just makes doing your brows so fast and easy, and they look very natural, but it just gives enough color to your brows, and I really love it. So I'm just running this through to keep my brows looking natural, but still giving them a little bit of definition. Then I'm going to go in with this nude chromagraphic pencil by MAC, and I'm just lining my lower waterline to really open up the eyes. I don't want any like pink hues there, so I just want everything to be really light and bright and open. And I'm just fluffing out my eyelash extensions. You can do mascara here if you'd like. And then I'm taking this lip liner by NYX in the color Nude Beige, and I'm just lining my lips. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I don't want to fill them in. Just want to give them a little bit of shape. And then I'm going to take just a chapstick and put that on and kind of blend the lip liner into my lips. So it kind of defines your lips without adding too much color, and it still looks very natural. So that is it for the lips. And then I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. I want to keep it really natural looking. So just hitting those with a little bit of mascara and then finishing off the whole look with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. So that is everything for this tutorial today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, as well as subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.